do another short video. Happy New Year!
Happy New Year!
Today we're doing Munson Creek Falls. It's a real short hike, but we gotta get out. We're gonna get out once a week and make videos. So I better start looking my prettiest for these videos. And she's never seen me record videos, so it's a new experience. We'll try to get more than this today and then make a video. Okay. Oh. Well, shit, there it is. Quick record. We made it. Shortest hike ever. What? It's like a quarter mile.
No frogs.
No frogs today, apparently. There it is. Pretty good. Over now. It's 32 degrees today. No frozen waterfall. But, I mean, you can't beat winter in Oregon. We're gonna go eat some breakfast and then go to the next place. Maybe watching where I'm going instead of watching the camera and all the potholes. At Niagara Falls, we're waiting for James and Deline out on the road because we think that they're gonna get lost, so we're waiting for them so they don't get lost. Short trail, pretty easy. 200-foot trail or 100-foot waterfalls though, so pretty nice. Here we are, waiting in the car.
Still waiting.
Still waiting, like good friends. Hank's getting impatient. I also wanted to say, while I was making this video, that we're gonna try to do one video a week for the new year. More adventure stuff. And I don't know, what else do we have? Not only Oregon, hopefully. Yeah. Oh yeah, and we're doing Hawaii for dance convention, so I'll probably show you that too. So, all right, we're waiting for James and Deline, and then we'll record some of the trail and the waterfall and whatnot. There's James, and well, that's Brennan, but Deline's down there too. That's Mariah. I don't know. I never introduced you guys. Famous Niagara Falls, 100-foot waterfall. Not sure how Hank and I are leading this trail. We're definitely not the most in shape of the group, but here we are. Just wanted to say that I'm all done with my adventure. I am pooped. Dropped off the girlfriend, headed home now. Apparently the key to waiting for your friends, the length is about as long as it takes you to say, hey, I'm done, I'm leaving, we're going on without you. Because as soon as we did, they showed up. In fact, they almost ran into us because I didn't even see them. Yeah, been a good day. I don't know how to end these ever. We'll figure it out. Gonna be outtakes, of course. And hopefully that's not an outtake of me getting pulled over. It's not, but that's good. Quick little video. Fix my hair. I don't look too ratty for the camera. The post over there says my initials. Points me in the right direction. I'm guessing that most hiking posts do. TH, go figure. Tyson Hood this way. You're ready for me. Oh well, they understand. They will. She says not to look at her. Look at the camera. Yeah. Look up here. There's Mariah. But I gotta look over there. I always look over here. Well, yeah. I don't know what else. Over here. I don't know what else. In Oregon. I gotta look up there, darn it. So, yeah. Just, I don't know. Who knows? Anyways, probably edit this part out because it's just babbling. It's got a bunch of, obviously out of my mind. Definitely tired out of my mind now, but I remember there being more stuff. This might not be the trail I was thinking about. We're gonna have to search out this other trail. And Hank is still here.
Hank! Hank! Look up! Hank!
Hell yeah, it for a second. There's Hank. Hank! Ugh, Oregon's so pretty. Dumb. I love it here.